When you think of classic American muscle, the Ford Galaxie 500 might not be the first name that comes to mind. But one look at this jaw-dropping 1965 Galaxie Restomod, and you'll never overlook it again. While many Galaxie 500s can still be found for under $10,000 in dusty barns or online classifieds, this one is a different beast entirely. Fully rebuilt over the course of 3 painstaking years, it's a wild combination of vintage style, modern performance, and top-tier craftsmanship. Let's start under the hood, because that's where things get serious. The original engine is long gone, replaced with a modern 5.0-liter Ford Coyote V8 source from a 2011 Mustang GT. This naturally aspirated power plant is known for its smooth, high-revving character and serious reliability. But this one isn't just stock. It's been custom-built for the Galaxie, complete with Flowtech headers, a Holley electric fuel pump, and an engine bay so clean it practically glows. Although we don't have an exact horsepower figure, it's safe to say this beast has more than enough muscle to back up its aggressive stance. That stance, by the way, comes courtesy of a RideTech air ride suspension system, allowing the car to sit low for shows and rise up for street driving. All new suspension arms improve handling and stability, while Wilwood high-performance brakes ensure it stops as well as it goes. This isn't just a cosmetic update. It's a thorough, performance-driven Restomod from the ground up. The bodywork has been beautifully reimagined. Painted in brilliant silver, the Galaxie now glistens like a show car, but retains its unmistakably classic lines. Custom taillights add a sleek, modern touch to the rear, bridging the gap between retro and contemporary design. Step inside, and you'll be transported to a whole new world. The cabin has been completely reupholstered in plush blue leather, wrapping nearly every surface and giving the car a high-end luxury feel. You'd be forgiven for thinking you were sitting in a modern Mercedes rather than a 1960s Ford. The attention to detail is incredible. From the aftermarket audio system to the vintage air climate control and the custom 3-spoke steering wheel, every element has been thoughtfully chosen to blend comfort, style, and functionality. This car isn't just about looking good parked at a show. It's built to drive, fast, smooth, and loud. The combination of a Coyote V8, modern suspension, and high-end braking means it's ready for anything, from Sunday cruising to high-speed highway runs. With Mecum Auctions estimating it will fetch between $175,000 and $200,000, this Galaxie proves that Restomods are no longer niche passion projects. They're serious investments and rolling pieces of art. The market has spoken, and builds like this are becoming the new standard for classic car lovers who want more than just nostalgia. They want modern performance, modern comfort, and timeless design. So, if you're a fan of classic American iron but want something that can go toe-to-toe with today's best, this Ford Galaxie 500 Restomod might just be the perfect blend of past and present. It's not just a car, it's a statement.